We got a basketball game. Chris Raines TV basketball team. Who we playing? This is the Chris Raines TV celebrity basketball team, and we got a game today. But they say we playing the no. This team ain't got a name. Like, nah, man. Let's go back and go. Look, y'all go get a name. Y'all send us y'all videos. We watch y'all games. This is how you do business. You have to know, like, to the point. And if y'all even have any chance of beating us, strategizing on beating us, Chris Raines TV celebrity basketball team, you have to know who you playing, who you gonna be holding, who the shooters are. You know what I'm saying? Because we all new opponents, it'll make it a real good game. We just got to just go like, you know what I'm saying? Meanwhile, and to beat y'all, we're gonna have to know who y'all number one scorer is. Chris Raines, you know what I'm saying, or Gerard Brooks, or you know what I'm saying, or Pat Vincent, you know what I'm saying, or Wesley Harrell, or Shane Mays, or you know what I'm saying, K-Roll, B Hop, you know what I'm saying, that type, you know what I'm saying. I'll poo by you, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? But for real though, stuff like that. Long live Ryan Foley, you know what I'm saying? But man, what worked for me ain't gonna work for you, and what worked for you ain't gonna work for me. You know what I'm saying? That's the way it is. I don't try to give the message that I can only tell you by experiences. A lot of people are just deceived on generational beliefs. You know what I'm saying? My grandma told me, but meanwhile, see, her grandma told her, and her grandma told her. Meanwhile, you find out some more knowledge. It's still learning. Like, it's other stuff that they didn't keep seeking. That don't mean that your grandma lied or your people was wrong. You know what I'm saying? This is just me, like, you know what I'm saying? And we don't get judged for what we don't know. He don't hold us according for that, you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, it ain't no excuses for, like, why you should at least spend a year, 365 days, trying to find out what age you gonna spend eternity, like, nigga, whatever. I see, I know I'm gonna give it up how I give it up. You know what I'm saying? Regardless, like, I ain't got nothing to prove. I'm nobody. But I'm a man though. Like, man, like, little things. You can have the money, but like, I don't want to whatever. But like, I don't care what you call me, whatever. You know what I'm saying? I probably can't hear you if you ain't got no money. But but if I had to be around you, like man, you know people like, you know what I'm saying, but you treat people accordingly. But yeah, certain things are demanded. Like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. This is how I was raised, you know what I'm saying? That's how it came up. Morals and values, principles, respect. Meanwhile, what's real to me might not be real to you. Oh man, you real. Everybody got their own definition. And the last thing you'll ever hear me say is, oh, I'm a real nigga. Listen, I don't what the fuck I'm gonna tell you I'm real for if I'm real. Somebody else gonna tell you that. Me, what I tell you, I'm rare, I'm unique. We all are. It's just we don't know who we are. We've been deceived. That's the whole topic, deception. You know what I'm saying? I could give you more details. You know what I'm saying? But it's on, like, draw you pictures. You know what I'm saying? Like artwork. You know what I'm saying? But to each his own, man. This is just the talk, the gossip of the day. I don't know it all. I'm just the talk. You know what I'm saying? But man, blessings and peace to those who are watching this. Happy New Year's. Chris Raines Talk. We'll be back.